Ano ang isang Pollution Control Officer or PCO? Sabi po dito sa DAO 2014-02 dated February 3, 2014 entitled Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation, a pollution control officer as defined in Section 4, it says, I read and I quote, pollution control officer, a technical person competent in pollution control and environmental management, performing the duties and responsibilities in a particular establishment and officially accredited by the Environmental Management Bureau Regional Office to perform such responsibilities. So ang isang pollution control officer ay unang-una sinasabi dito na technical person. So ang isang taong ito ay mayroong kaalaman dahil sa nakasulat sa Section 6, Qualification Requirements for PCO, mapapansin natin na mayroon silang educational attainment or background at relevant yung kanilang work experience on environmental management. Bukod pa dyan, ang isang pollution control officer ay kailangan nakapag-complete ng basic PCO training course. Kaya naman matatawag itong ang PCO ay isang technical person. Meron din na pagkakakilanlan sa isang pollution control officer na meron siyang competency sa pollution control and environmental management. At kung mapapansin mo nga sa Section 6 ng Department Order na ito, kadalasan ang mga pollution control officer ay mga licensed engineer or chemist or professional in the field of engineering or physical and natural sciences or other professionals of appropriate discipline with at least 5 years relevant experience in environmental management. Kaya masasabi mo talaga na ang isang pollution control officer ay mga expert in pollution control and environmental management. Isa pa, ang isang pollution control officer ay merong nire-represent na establishment, particular sa isang lokasyon at doon siya ngayon nagpe-perform ng kanyang duties and responsibilities. Bilang pollution control officer, kailangan din magkaroon ng official accreditation from EMB Regional Office. At once na accredited ka na ng EMB Regional Office bilang pollution control officer, you will perform now your duties and responsibilities in a particular establishment. At nakasulat yan doon sa Section 10, Duties and Responsibilities of Accredited PCO. Sabi nga dito, the accredited PCO shall perform the following duties and responsibilities. Number one, together with the managing head, ensure compliance with the requirements of PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, and RA 9275, their respective implementing rules and regulations, IRRs, and other pertinent rules and regulations. Among many duties and responsibilities, almost 21 duties specified in Section 10 of DAO 2014-02. So kung ano ang isang pollution control officer, base na rin sa DAO 2014-02 o Revised Guidelines for PCO Accreditation, Section 4, it says, I read and I quote, pollution control officer, a technical person competent in pollution control and environmental management, performing the duties and responsibilities in a particular establishment and officially accredited by Environmental Management Bureau Regional Office to perform such responsibilities. So, yun po ang pagkakakilanlan sa isang pollution control officer. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like this video, please share this video. Thank you very much everyone and God bless us all.